Discuss something about human suffering. What diseases the humans suffer from? Mainly anemia, cholesterol, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, joint pains, etc. Talking about diabetes, 2013 data shows that 98.4 million cases were registered in China. In India, 65.1 million cases were registered. State-wise claim shows that Maharashtra and Kerala ranks the highest, holding 18% of the total claimed data. Talking about blood pressure, that is hypertension, 120 by 80 mm of Hg is considered to be normal. Slight deviation from this level is considered to be hypertension. Now, prevalence of non-hypertension is 31%, newly detected hypertension is 15%, and pre-hypertension is 42% in India. Cholesterol levels are increasing day by day in our body due to sedentary lifestyle. Prevalence of lipid abnormalities are divided total in 4 regions. Low HDLC, that is 72.3%, hypertriglyceridemia, that is 29.5%, hypercholesteremia is 13.9%, and high LDLC is 11.8%. Talking about the cholesterol level in the blood, 200 mg per deciliter is considered as normal. Greater than 250 mg per deciliter is considered as very high cholesterol level in the blood. For high density lipoprotein, that is good cholesterol, less than 40 mg per deciliter is considered as very low, and it is risking the risk of heart for many other diseases. For LDL, that is low density lipoprotein, which is also known as bad cholesterol, the level from 160 to 180 mg per deciliter is considered as very high. Coming towards the joint pain, a leading diagnostic chain has revealed that 180 million people in India are affected by arthritis. Only by arthritis, rest other diseases are left. So the above data shows that one person can suffer from many problems. So what can be the solution? Multi-drug therapy? No, because of many side effects. So our product claims for a one solution, that is one patient, more than one problem, and coming towards only one solution. First of all, let us discuss some of the herbal quantity of our product. First is coriander. It is very good for keeping cholesterol level in check. It also soothes the inflammation of the skin. It is also used for curing mouth ulcers. The second component is Moringa oleifera, that is drumstick. It is the wonder molecule. It is used to normalize blood sugar level, increases mental clarity, provide antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor property also. Third component is amla. It helps in boosting immunity, it purifies our blood, it supports our digestion. Also, mental functioning is increased by amla consumption. It also improves the cardiovascular health. It promotes healthy hair also. The fourth component is mint. It is used in treatment of asthma, helps in the process of digestion, prevents from depression, renders the healthy skin, and strengthens the liver. The fifth component is cinnamon. It is the powerhouse of the antioxidant. Many antioxidants are present in it. It is also used in the treatment of infertility, prevents type 2 diabetes. It also treats the viral infection. It also reduces the risk of cancer. The next component is tulsi, or also known as basil. It is mainly helpful in the treatment of kidney stones, heart disease, diabetes, stomach problem, anti-cancer activity, help in quitting smoking also, and relief from headache, stress reliever also. Coming towards the next component, that is coconut. It helps in supporting brain health, ward of the cold, that is helps in the treatment of cold cough, reduces inflammation, supports healthy heart. So how to use all this product in a single component? What is the solution of this? So basically this will be our product. Not exactly the same, but a kind of. Talking about the markings from 1 to 8, 1 is considered to be dirty water or normal drinking water, and 8 is the purified water obtained by filtering through all the layers in between. The working of cartridge can be done as such. They will be two closed then, one at the topmost position and the other at the bottommost. Two filter paper are to be kept, one at the bottom and one at the top. One person has to suck the water from the bottommost part. From there water will come up, pass through the filter 1, and then gradually from all the filter which we have kept, and then from the topmost filter the water will be sucked in his mouth. It will be more convenient and more easy for all the type of patient from pediatric to the geriatric patient. It is the best patient compliances. So now what is the benefit of our product? As we all know that mostly all the people suffer from nutrient deficiency. The water which been filtered through this filter will contain all the type of nutrient required in our daily life. Moreover, it is herbal origin. It is cost effective and mainly patient compliances. Every age group of people can suck water through that type of cartridges. And by drinking such type of water, one can avoid common diseases like common cold, cough, fever, nausea, sometimes vomiting also. Talking about side effect or the toxicity, as we all are been aware that the component used here are of natural origin, herbal origin, so least toxic effect and no side effect will be reported. Thank you so much.